Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to format messages in Slack to make your communication cleaner, more professional, and easier for your team to read at a glance. Step 1. Access the formatting toolbar. The 2026 Slack interface makes formatting tools highly accessible right within your message composer. Look at the bottom of your message field and click the AA icon. This toggles the full formatting toolbar. If you prefer a faster way, you can also simply highlight any text you've already typed and a mini hover menu will appear with the most common options like bold, italics, and hyperlinks. Step 2. Organize with lists and hierarchy. For longer updates or instructions, use structural formatting to break up walls of text. Select the bulleted list or numbered list icons from the toolbar. To add a new line without sending the message, remember to press Shift-Enter. You can also use the block quote icon, the quotation mark symbol, to set apart a specific piece of feedback or reference. In the 2026 update, you can now also use underline, Control-U, a feature recently added to the standard toolbar. Step 3. Use code snippets and technical formatting. If you're sharing technical data, URLs, or specific commands, use monospace formatting to keep it distinct. Highlight your text and select the code icon for inline text or the code block icon for larger chunks of data. Using a code block creates a dedicated gray box that preserves spacing and uses a fixed width font. This is perfect for sharing error logs or copy-paste instructions so they don't get mixed up with your regular chat text. And that's pretty much it. To format messages in 2026, use the AA toolbar for quick styling, apply lists and block quotes for structure, and use code blocks for technical info. Good formatting ensures your key takeaways don't get lost in the shuffle of a busy channel. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.